Hold on to your helmets, folks. We're diving into the top 5 motorcycles you just have to ride in 2024. First up, we have the Ducati Panigale V4. Sleek design, insane power, and top-notch tech. This beast is built for speed and style. Next, meet the Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250. Adventure awaits with its rugged build and smooth ride, perfect for those long, scenic routes. Third on the list is the Yamaha YZF R7. Lightweight and nimble, this bike is all about precision and control. It's a track day dream. Coming in fourth, the Triumph Trident 660. Classic looks with modern performance. It's the ultimate blend of past and future. And finally, the BMW R18. Retro charm meets modern engineering. This cruiser offers a ride like no other. There you have it, folks. The top 5 must-ride motorcycles of 2024. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.